Hello, now we discuss the viral diseases of STD. So, in STD, viral diseases is first genital herpes, or this genital herpes is caused by herp simplex virus. Okay, so this genital herpes is caused by herp simplex virus. Okay, so in this disease, when infection of this disease is occur in the person, when infection of this disease is occur in the person, so in this disease reproductive organs become swell, and water comes from wound and vagina. Okay, this disease also affect our mouth and faces. Okay, in mouth or faces some pimples are occur on the face or mouth. Okay, so this disease can be treated by an medicine. This medicine is called the aciclovir. Aciclovir. And next STD viral disease, genital herp. So genital herp disease is caused by the human papilloma virus. Okay, in this type of disease, moles are produced in vagina and cervix of the female. Okay, in this disease, moles are produced in vagina and cervix of the female, which may be converted into cancer. Or cancer is a very dangerous disease. Okay, it can be treated. This disease can be treated by laser surgery or alpha interferon method. Okay, and next disease is viral disease, which is called the AIDS. Okay, so AIDS disease is caused by HIV virus, which name is human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, so this disease attack on the T4 cells of the body. So these T4 cells provide immunity to the body. In that disease, immunity of the person become very weak, or many type of diseases attack on the body, and slowly that person's life begin slowly that person's life begin to end. Okay, hello, good morning students. Today's thought: a cell is regarded as a true biological atoms. Okay, we know that all living organisms is made up of cell. Or cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Okay, so every organism or life is start from the cell. Every organism's life is start from the cell. So cell is regarded as a two biological atoms. Hello, now we discuss the next viral disease. Or next viral disease, the hepatitis B. So hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. Three types of hepatitis occur. But hepatitis B only spread through the sexual intercourse. Okay, sexually transmitted disease is hepatitis B. So virus of hepatitis B lives in the body fluids like the blood and semen, and also that fluids contain the virus of the hepatitis B. So virus of the hepatitis B causes the damage of the cells of the liver. Damage of the cells of the liver. Okay, in this disease, person feel beginning hungerness, and after some time this hungerness convert into a disease, very dangerous disease, which is called the jaundice disease. Okay, hello, now we discuss the infertility topic. Okay, so infertility means if the person cannot or not capable for producing young ones with unprotected sex. if person cannot produce their young ones with unprotected sexual intercourse, so it is called the infertility. Okay. A reproductive endocrinologist or doctor specializing in infertility considered a couple to be infertile. Okay, the couple has not conceived after 12 months of unprotected sex if the female is under the age of the 35. Okay, the couple has not conceived after the 12 months, means after the 12 months the couple cannot conceive young ones. Okay, of unprotected sex if the male is under the age of the 35. Okay, the couple has not conceived after 6 months, after 6 months of unprotected sex intercourse if the female is over the age of 35. Okay, and last point, the female is incapable of carrying a pregnancy term. Okay, in that cases we can say infertile person. Okay, now we discuss the causes of infertility. Okay, so causes of infertility on the production of healthy sperm. If sperms are not healthy, so it also causes the infertility. Okay, and healthy eggs also affect the infertility. Unblocked of the fallopian tube that allow the sperm to reach egg, unblocked of the fallopian tube also causes the infertility. Okay, sperm ability to fertilize, ability of the sperm to fertilize with the egg is also affect their infertility. Or next thing, the ability of the fertilized egg, the ability of if egg is fertilized, okay, but it cannot implant in the woman's uterus, so it is also causes the infertility. And second things, the most common male infertility factors are the azoospermia and oligospermia. Azoospermia means A for absent. So if the production of sperm is no, okay, if no any sperm is produced during in the testes, so that type of disease is called the azoospermia. If few number of sperm are produced in the testis, so this is called the oligospermia. Okay.